Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 25 how to unpin a tweet on your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then go to the tweet that has already been pinned to your account. Click on the arrow that points towards the bottom of the screen, and then it says unpin from profile. Click on this, unpin tweet from profile. Yes, this will no longer appear automatically at the top of your profile. Unpin. The tweet has now been unpinned. Command R to refresh the page. We no longer have a pinned tweet, so we can quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.